Okay, let's add the missing block to the deployment script. First thing is we create a temporary folder and then copy the temp folder.com and then copy the Sitecore Commerce Experience Accelerator storefront.2018 zip. And then we would unzip this using WinZip or 7-zip. Opening that, and then I will move to the temp folder, unzip this using, extract this using WinZip, put it in the same folder, and then go into the folder and then extract this using WinZip again. This will take, it's done, and then go to package, go to items, master, Sitecore, system, modules, PowerShell, script library, CXA, internal web API, and then create default storefront tenant and site. Go to this and then en1 and then this XML. Edit this and then add the code from the documentation. I already have the code in my other window, so I'm gonna paste this, and then just above the function I'm going to format this a little bit and let's format this and then save. Go back to the package folder, rename this to old because we're going to repackage it. So just extract this as a zip file or package it as a zip file. There, and then I'm just going to remove the old. Just going to delete this, and I'm going to delete this. So I want to delete that, and then I'm going to move up another folder, and then I'm just going to delete this one or rename it to old for this. I'm just going to delete that and then just package this. And now you should have your new Commerce Experience Accelerator storefront zip file. That's it.